Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of MKR Developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a switch. For this I've added a switch into the middle of the screen, and the idea of my switch is switch 1. And also the idea of the constraint layout is main layout 1. Here into the Kotlin file I've initialized my layout and my switch, and the idea is I want to check the state of the switch, and based on the state of the switch I will change the color of the background. So for this I need to add the function setOnChackedChangedListener to my switch. Dot set on ChackedChangedListener. This one, the second one. Here I have two variables. The first one I don't need, and the second one is a boolean, and whenever the switch will be checked or unchecked, this boolean will be true or false. So I will change it, the name of it, to the state. Okay, now I will check if the state is true. I will set background color to blue, and then I will press Ctrl D to duplicate this line. Then I will check if the state is false. I will change the color to green. Okay, that's everything. Let's check it on the emulator. That's my switch. I will turn it on and the background is blue, and I will turn it off and the background is green. Okay, that was everything about the switch. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below and I will be so happy to answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.